I'm Shannon Moroney, and I'm the author of 2 best-selling memoirs, Through the Glass and Out of the Shadows. And I'm also someone who loves to think about, talk about, and practice forgiveness. Some of the work that I do in workshops or multi-day retreats is to give people the opportunity to define forgiveness for themselves, what it is and what it isn't. We explore different quotes, stories from around the world. We also explore our own stories and how forgiveness might help us restore a relationship, end a relationship, restore a sense of peace and power for ourselves. Finding forgiveness for my husband who had committed horrific violent crimes and destroyed the life that I knew that we'd built together seemed unfathomable. And what I found over time was that I could forgive not what he did. His crimes were unforgivable. But my idea of forgiveness is to commit to seeing the human being behind the horrible act. What I found was that forgiveness was the greatest gift I ever could have given myself. People say sometimes forgiveness lets someone off the hook, and it does. The person who offers it. One of my favorite quotes about forgiveness, and this is something that I have every participant make in a workshop, is a beautiful frame once they've chosen their favorite quote or made up their own words about forgiveness. Forgiveness is letting go of all hopes for a better past. That also speaks a great deal to acceptance and making a space in our lives for something that hurts, but being able to move forward as who we are. If you're interested in exploring forgiveness, or as I call it, the F word, please join me for one of my workshops, retreats, or host your own in your community for your family, your staff group, your organization, your school, and we can all work together to see where we're at on our journeys.